Today's card is a triptych of patterns on a square card. I've got my square card base ready and I used a gold pen in my silver bullet to draw the design. As you can see at the moment it's still in one piece and I need to split it up to make it into the triptych. Instead of using a normal black paper, I decided to use some velvet paper, simply because I had some. And the next thing to do is to stick the triptych onto that. Now, for those of you who might find it difficult to stick them accurately, in the file I've actually included a template. So after I'd stuck those down, I backed it with a piece of gold card. Now the design will be included in the file below. The dimensions will be ever so slightly different because I've evened them up somewhat. So the next thing to do is to actually put it onto my card base, and you just need to check, if you're using a gizmo like I am, that you've got the card up the right way, because that's always handy to do. Now the next bit is where I went slightly wrong, because I forgot that I intended to foam mount this piece. So of course I put all the sticky tape down and I stuck the card onto the card base, and then I had to take it off again. Now the good news is that if you do what I did, as long as you haven't put your tape too near the edge of the piece that you are sticking on, you can bend the card base back and trim it just underneath the card panel that you're putting on, and then at least you might have wasted one piece of the card, but your front card panel will be able to be put on as you intended. Now that applies whether you've stuck it on crooked or whether, like me, you forgot to put the foam tape on and just put sticky tape on it. So now that I've corrected that, I can remove the card from the jig and it's almost complete. I just need to add a sentiment to it. So I've used the silver bullet and the gold pen again, and I'm just sticking some sticky tape onto the back of my sentiment. And this one says "Sending Hugs." Now, as it happens, when I'd finished this, I decided I didn't quite like the "Sending Hugs" in gold, and I went over it with a white pen instead. And I also used another pen to put some lines inside the double lines of the sections on both the left and the right. And that's it. Card is finished. I hope you like it. Please leave comments below, subscribe if you haven't, and share. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.